Okay, so I'm gonna take a little video here of this Breville 900 XL. And this one with a leak. You see that, let me focus on this. There's a minor leak from the vacuum breaker, but that goes back to the water tank, but it will need to be addressed eventually. And we had some major leaks here from these gaskets. We replaced those and now it's not leaking anymore, so see that the machine is up to temperature. There's steam. Want to put some water, stop that. Whoop, sorry, no drip tray, but it's working. Besides that, we'll leave it on for a little while to make sure all is good, and you should be good to go. So thank you for watching.